I learned something today. Don't buy cheap Chinese Amazon fuses. They blow transformers before blowing themselves.
Timer flash 7 times. BTU system. You ain't testing, you're guessing.
Well, at least I got spray foam, but that stands for fucked or fuse. What do you think?
It's a Ruud.
Ruud. Ruud. Maybe we'll call Asher and ask him. Is it Ruud or Ruud? And it says F. Like, you're F3. F3. Or you put in 3 fuses already. By the way, this is a 3 amp ATC style fuse, right? It's not blown. All right. This is a 3 amp ATC style fuse. It's blown, right? This one, also a 3 amp ATC style fuse. These 2 fuses, well, one fuse is already in there. One we replaced with one of these. And when I put this one in, it's Amazon Chinese, by the way. This is definitely Chinese. This is a Chinese style fuse, because guess what happened? When I replaced the fuse, instead of blowing the fuse, it blew that transformer right there, which resulted in me putting in this transformer. And I'm thinking, okay, it's a Honeywell, right? But guess what? It's made in China. Oh my God.
Just like Corona.
Yes. Just like Corona. All right. F. I don't know what F stands for. Let's look at the cover. F, it says for fucked. F. F-U. Fuse. Did that just come on again? Yes, it did. Why is there an inducer motor coming on? I think
The F.
the F. It says F. Why does it say F? It should say FU. I can't believe it really says FU right there. You see that? It says FU. Component codes, FU. Like, you fucking fool. I should ask FF. All right, now it really wants to play games with me, because now I have this display codes, and F is continuous fan on. Which is what we have on right now. All right. 3 fuses in 120-degree attic. What would you do? I don't know, but determined there was a short in the thermostat wire from the furnace in the attic to the dining room 2.5 floors down below. Love my job. Ugh.